कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते।
Myself Kashika Mani, Secretary of Nature Club. As we all are aware of the pandemic situation faced by the whole world, but we, the members of Shalini family, could not forget our culture and tradition to celebrate Diwali.
Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Illumination of diyas symbolizes the removal of darkness and the onset of wisdom and light. In the present scenario, there is a lot of darkness in this world, especially due to COVID-19. The lives of many are darkened with fear, uncertainties, and insecurity. In this context, this Diwali celebration comes to us with an invitation to become a light of the world. Before we light up the world, let's become a small light in our own lives to dispel the darkness within ourselves. It means first light oneself. Then we become light to the family and the society. The light in us may go off any time. We need to protect it. Our light will be protected when we protect and strengthen our qualities, uniqueness, talents, and resources. So, I wish you all a very happy Diwali and pray may all the Shalinites become a light to oneself and others. Let your light shine.
The story of Ram and Ravan. A story related to this festival. And Ram's soldiers managed to kill all the demons except one, Ravan. The battle was now between Ram and Ravan. He gave Ravan one last chance to apologize and return Sita. Ravan instead rained down weapons on him. Ram too fought back relentlessly, but despite all his efforts, nothing seemed to kill Ravan. Finally, Ravan's brother Vibhishan told Ram that Ravan's weakest point was in his navel. Using an arrow given to him by the gods, Ram shot Ravan in the navel and killed him instantly. And so, Ram and his love Sita were finally reunited. Soon after, upon completion of their 14 years in exile, Ram, Sita and Lakshman returned home to find the entire city waiting for them. The streets were decorated with flowers and lamps, and there was happiness everywhere. And this is why, every year on Diwali, you see the streets, homes and offices lit up with lamps, like the city of Ayodhya, in celebration of Ram and Sita's homecoming.
नमस्कार, मैं रितु शालिनी परिवार की ओर से आप सभी को दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आज के दिन भगवान श्री रामचंद्र अपनी पत्नी सीता और भाई लक्ष्मण के साथ अयोध्या वापस आए, जिस खुशी में अयोध्या वासियों ने हजारों दीपक जलाकर उनका स्वागत किया। आज के दिन ही भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने नरकासुर नामक राक्षस का वध किया और आज के दिन ही भगवान महावीर ने निर्वाण प्राप्त किया। इन विभिन्न कारणों से दीपावली का पर्व मनाया जाता है और दीपावली का शुभ संदेश होता है अस्तो माँ सदगमय तनुषं माँ ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतमय। इसका अर्थ है सद्मार्ग की ओर ले चलिए, अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर ले चलिए, मृत्यु से मोक्ष की ओर ले चलिए। तो दीपावली हमारे अंदर के अंधकार को दूर करने का और सबके साथ सहयोग करने का मार्ग हमें दिखलाता है। तो आशा है कि आप सभी दीपावली के अर्थ को समझ गए होंगे और एक दूसरे के साथ प्रेम भावना के साथ सहयोग करते हुए आप दीपावली का पर्व मनाएंगे। आप सभी की शुभकामनाओं के लिए अंतिम में मैं एक मंगलाचरण का श्लोक करना चाहूँगी। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, माँ के ऊंचे त्योहार, अर्थात आप सभी स्वस्थ हों, आप सभी का कल्याण हो, आप सभी हर दुख तकलीफ से दूर रहें। ये दीपावली आप सबके लिए मंगलमय।
Diwali is also known as Festivals of Light. Diyas are lit to chase away the darkness of ignorance and welcome the bright light of enlightenment. But recent years, this festival is gradually become a reason for pollution in our environment. To protect our environment, let's pledge to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali in this year. I would like to ask you a simple question. Is burning of cracker is important? I think no. Because by burning crackers we didn't do justice with us and environment. We are grown up in a lap of a wonderful nature and are blessed with the gifts of nature. So it's our primary duty to protect our nature, as well as we are not justified with us because burning of crackers is similar to wasting of money. Decorating your house with electric lights enhances its look, but definitely it requires more power consumption. So instead of using this, you can use earthen-made diya. This year, try to make a festival more meaningful and delightful. Let's us promise our pursuit of happiness, we will not harm the environment. Thank you and wish you happy Diwali to all.
If we want to save our nature, then refrain ourselves from burning crackers. Let's pledge to go green and stop acting mean. Our nature wants an eco-friendly Diwali. What is the need of fireworks when we can celebrate with beautiful diyas? This Diwali, let's make our nature as bright as the festival. This Diwali may burn all your bad times. So let us celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali. We wish you a very happy and nature-loving Diwali.
The nights, don't forget that we should celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. So this year, don't forget our nature and celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali. Wishing you a very happy Diwali from my side to your friends and family. Thank you.
Diwali is the festival of lights that brings good luck, happiness, prosperity to all. The lighted diyas not only illuminate the environment but also has to save the darkness of poverty and ignorance. But Diwali is entertained by the lights of the crackers without paying any attention for the bad effects of the loud noise and pollution on the environment. So instead of burning those firecrackers, we should light diyas for green, noiseless and eco-friendly Diwali festival. So let us come together to fill our homes with prayers and lights, not with fumes and crackers. Wish you all a happy Diwali. Thank you.
Please do not burn crackers because crackers are not a use only for environmental abuse. Please give a healthy environment to your next generation. Do not give a polluted environment to your next generation. Thanking you for watching this.
This Diwali, gift a plan to your loved ones, avoid burning crackers, save nature and celebrate pollution-free green Diwali.
As we celebrate Diwali as a symbol for all that is good and pure in the world, let's take a moment and dedicate it to nature by celebrating an eco-friendly Diwali. An eco-friendly Diwali celebration is nothing but to celebrate in a way that do not harm the ecosystem.
Gems of days and the echoes of chants. May happiness and contentment fill your life. Wish you and your family very happy and your prosperous eco-friendly Diwali.